Hi friends, this is Pam Wood, your Creative Memories Independent Advisor, and one of my customers is helping me with a little video of the Seasonal Sightings card kit. I'm having a crop today, and Leora is one of my customers, and she's going to help me show you what the cards look like when they're finished. So Leora, I'm going to you now. There you are. Hi. Thanks, Leora. So first, she's holding up the box of that the cards come in. It's like other card kits. There's 22 in a box, and you get everything you need to make 12 cards. And so now Leora is going to show us what the finished cards look like. Just one at a time. If you'll hold them up, you can put the box down now if you want.
Okay.
So that's number one. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. There we go. That's the first one. Okay. And we can go through them semi-fast. The second one, Joy. Okay. Merry and Bright. That is cute. These are really simple too. I put the whole thing together in about an hour. I love the ones with the cardinals on it, like that one. Merry Christmas to you. There you go. And at the end of the video, I will show you the bonus pieces. So any of these sayings that don't fit for you, there are lots more that are more generic, like peace on earth and to you and yours and that sort of thing. 'Tis the season. That was a super simple one. Oh, I love that one too. Warmth and love. So that's not overtly Christmas if you're just wanting to look for something that's more holiday. Glad tidings, good tidings, sorry. I love that one. Oh, what fun. The snowman. And these are so simple, you guys. Season's greetings. We have one more. Is that it? Yep. This was probably the most difficult one, and it was easy. So, Merry Christmas. Thank you, Leora.
You're welcome.
These are the bonus pieces that come with your kit. So you can see there's some of the ones I was talking about. It's the holiday season, 'tis the season. These don't say anything about Christmas, so you can swap out any of those sayings that you want to. And then I also wanted to show you that these cards come with designed envelopes. That doesn't always happen. So there's 3 different designs for you to mail your cards in. So thanks very much for joining us.